Hey guys, it is me, Simone. I have a haul video, so I want to get started. I did a couple blind bags off of Aliexpress. So what the blind bags are is you can pay like less than $1, less than $2, and you'll be sent a random die or stamp, and depending on when you get, it can be anywhere between the value of $2 to $8, and you'll get it for $1 or 50 cents. So all these items here I've got for less than like $1 a piece. I think most of them are under like 50 cents, like 50, 65 cents. So let me go over all the things. There's two different orders here that I got in the bundles, so let's go over all of them, and I want to make some projects with them. Okay, so this is like my second taping of this video, so I kind of already separated everything, but I got more stuff, so I wanted to make this video real quick. Let's get started. So I got a couple dies. I got this. Let me fold my paper because it's kind of big. I got this edged die, these two edge dies. So one of them is a stitched, not wavy, but like it's kind of wavy die, and the other one's kind of like a zigzag die, and the wavy one is stitched. So you can make like rolling hills, and it'll be stitched on both sides, which is really cool. I have an idea I want to do with that. And then this wavy one, I don't know, you could make, it'd be cool to design the background for a page. I'll play around with that. I'm trying to think, what could this be? Oh, it could be grass. Oh yeah, it could be grass. So I have those two. That's one die, but two pieces. I have this die that cuts into your paper, that design, like a flower design. Then I have, oh, let me give you the sizes of these two real quick. I remember. The edge dies are about 5 and 3, like about almost 6 inches actually. And then this little corner flower die is 2.5 inches at the longest point. Alright, then I got these random dies that are supposed to be for something. You're supposed to have a stamp for them, but of course they're blind bags, so you get a random selection. And so these dies, I don't even know what I'm going to do with them. So I got this one, which I think is supposed to be like a Santa Claus stamp, because I think it's a surfboard and then like some icons that go with it. This is a Christmas tree and a light post, and then gifts, and there's a moon with maybe a building and then another building or lights. I can't tell, but I don't have the stamp for this. I'll show you guys. I don't have the stamp for this, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. I can play with some of them and make them turn into a shape, but other ones, yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing with those. Moving on, I think this is my last die from over there, and I have this one, which is a Christmas bell, as you can see there. It is so pretty. You can put this on a card. I think this is going to be a gorgeous die to make some cute Christmas cards, and of course it's Christmas in July, so why not? Okay, the dies I got from over here, I recently got these. I didn't get too many. I have, is everything too? Yes. So I have this die to go together, and this which just says what's it say? Oh gosh, I knew it said at first. It's something, I can't read it. I don't know what it says. I cannot read that. And I think it's because the cursive is throwing me off. But it says something. I don't know what it says. But it's words. I don't know what it says. But it comes with a little ornament. And the ornament has snowflakes in it, and you can actually detach these little snowflakes inside of it and put them on top of it, or leave them inside, and then it has the ornament top to hang it. So that's a cute Christmas card there. And then I got this. These were good together. And then I got this little birdie on what's the word? On a stick, a branch. Alright, let's see stamps. Or these are gonna be stamps, I think. No, I got one more. At this, I have another die, and this one says season greetings, and it's a gorgeous little die of little flowers and stuff. Okay, and this one, I keep forgetting to measure these. This circular is at the longest point 4 3/4. This little birdie is 3 inches across. The ornament is 2 3/4 of an inch, and it is it's about 3 inches tall, roughly. Oh, sorry, 3 inches. Yeah, 3 inches tall. The phrase here is 2 inches long by 1.5 inches tall. And then this beautiful Christmas die, it is 4 3/4 of an inch long and tall. Okay, moving on to my stamps. My stamps are all gonna be the same size, roughly about what, 5.5 size stamps, roughly. I mean, the items will be smaller, but I'm not gonna mess around with that. Okay, I got duplicates too. So I got this stamp. So turn my lightings down, it helps. There you go. And it's just a castle, and it has like information right here about the castle and that when it was built and that kind of stuff. And I have 2 of these, so that's fun, which means I'm going to be doing a D-stash. Then I got this. I got 2 of these. Yep, I did. I got this little scene, so it has a horse and a sled, a bunch of trees, houses, and then snowflakes. And then I have 2 of those. So that's part going to my D-stash. Then I have this witch, and then she has a cauldron, yeah, and a broom, a cat, a spell book, little icons that you can attach and put into the cauldron, a shadow, a banner, and then it says fairy tale witch set, which I'm almost glad they put that away because I don't celebrate Halloween. And then this one I have is a witch flying over a town, over the moon, and some old trees, and then it's a little graveyard set in the background too. So you can see that, guys. And D-stash because I don't need that. Then I got this little Santa Claus riding a bicycle and says Merry Christmas. I think that's really cute. You can't see him, but there he is. So I hope you see him better. Next thing I have is a scene of Santa Claus and his reindeer flying, and there's like snowflakes and the moon. That was really cool. Then I got this little Christmas one. It has a bunch of snowmen and trees, and the snowman shadows and little icons and rolling hills, and it says Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I just noticed one of the snowman's eyes are wonky. I hope it's not like the actual. Yeah, it's actually that small because the ones are bigger. I just noticed that. Then I got this little scene set, and it's a chair, a Christmas tree, gifts, a clock, a window with snow falling down, a cat, and then other Christmas trees and picture frames. Then these I got in recently. I have this one, and this one is just a Christmas tree, gifts, Santa Claus, things like that. And I have another one, it's basically the same thing. Now actually, there were a lot of ones you can get there at Christmas, and then some there were Halloween. I just got random ones that I didn't pick specifically for Christmas. I just got sent a bunch of Christmas ones. Maybe they said Christmas in the description, but I don't remember. But that's the ones I have so far. I know I'm going to stash my duplicates that I have because I don't need duplicates, and then the Halloween ones because I won't use those. So like these. So I'm mostly like I'm gonna do a D-stash about these pretty soon. I'm most likely to be something that if I do it, I'll do like a $7 D-stash, just for shipping mostly, and then I'll include a few dies. You know, here we go. That's mostly what I am doing. I'll go through my stash and see if I find any more dies or stamps I might want to add to this. But overall, I'm happy with pretty much everything I got. I got like cute Christmas stuff. I don't have a lot of Christmas things, and this didn't cost me a lot of money. I'm mostly just going to ship this for the price point that for shipping, because I can't cover shipping, guys. But I will definitely make a video me doing a stash, so like this, and then I might have some other stuff including to it later on. I'll go through my stash and see if I have anything else. But that's the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my haul. I have been shopping a lot because I've been wanting to use my stash. I just got a couple gifts for myself. Had a couple dollars, and this bought me all this here. So much love, and I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye. Get crafty.